welcome back to Olivia Brittany. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so y'all get notified when I upload a new video. So today we are going to be making slime, and if you're wondering who else I'm making it with, I'm making it with Layla. So we're going to be making glitter. It's going to not be very glittery, but I added some gold glitter glue. It might not turn out like I want it to, but we'll see. So today we're just gonna be making normal slime with some glue, baking soda, and activator. That's all we're making because that's all I know. So we're gonna add some baking soda because I already added some glue. Just a little baking soda. You know what? We'll just add the whole thing. Now we're gonna mix it up. See, it's not how like gold I want it to be. Well, it's kind of gold, not really though, but it's pretty. Ooh, that looks really pretty, doesn't it, Layla? We're gonna add a little bit of our activator. If you're wondering what Layla's here for, she's gonna help play with it at the end, because next video we're gonna do an ASMR video. Yep. If you're wondering what ASMR video means, it means, I don't really know what it means, but it means like super satisfying and relaxing. So, mix, 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 mix the slime. Just a little baking soda. There. Whee! Oh my. It's so goopy. We'll add a little more activator. Oh, that's a lot. But you know what? We'll make it work. As soon as it stops sticking to the sides of the bowl, we can start mixing with our hands. Just a dot. And then we're gonna mix it. Ooh, that looks like a really good slime. I held it up really close to the camera. So in like a minute, we'll start. Oh, less than a minute. Okay, it's still a little sticky. So we're just gonna add a baking soda. Okay, that might help it not stick to our hands. We just added the rest of our activator. That'll probably help. Sounds really ASMR-y. Just hear that. Let's start mixing with our hands because it feels like it's coming together. My first slime video on YouTube. It's really good so far. And I know this isn't a challenge like you see all over YouTube, but it's my first video for slime. So I'm not gonna do a challenge just yet. I don't even think I've done any challenges. Yeah, I've never done a challenge on my channel. So on my Instagram, ask me if you guys want me to make challenges or, oh, remember what I said on YouTube? I'm gonna say this announcement. I am gonna be doing Baby Truth or Dare. So if you're gonna wonder who's gonna be in the Truth or Dare video, I'll tell you guys at the end. Whoa, this slime is taking forever to stir. So I think we're just gonna keep like rolling it in my hands because that usually helps. Oh! Let's get this off the stick. We're gonna put the stick there. We're just gonna, I think the slime's almost ready. Okay, I think it's almost ready. Just mix, 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 mix. And I'll show you how this slime works. Well, you guys probably already know how slime works, but I've never done an ASMR, so I'm gonna do a little ASMR at the end. Let's get it off my hands. All right, I think our slime is ready. So we're gonna just mix it a little more. And ta-da! This looks like an amazing slime. So like I said, I'm gonna tell you who's gonna be in the truth or dare so that you can give us some truths and some dares. So drum roll, please. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. So who's gonna be in it? Well, Kelly's gonna be in it, Layla's gonna be in it, and Bailey's gonna be in it. So leave some truth or dares on my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!